Hey, welcome back to another Thought for the Week video. I'm Becca and this is Kate, and today we thought it'd be great to chat a bit about helping people. Helping people is great. I know when I've been helped by people in the past, it's made me feel less stressed, less worried about a problem that I might have. It's made me smile, it's actually probably cheered me up and made my day. And what's really cool about those situations is often when I've been helped by someone, it's actually made me feel like I might want to help someone else too. In fact, we often see that. When someone's been helped by someone, they're more likely to help someone else. And we get this kind of cool chain reaction kind of going on, where so many more people get helped just from that one person deciding to do something kind. I think that's an amazing thing.
Sometimes when we see the news, it can be full of really sad and difficult situations. But sometimes we see some really positive stories of how people have helped one another. These are often stories of amazing people doing extraordinary things, not because they want to gain something for themselves, but because they want to make a positive change. But you don't need to be on the news to help someone. In fact, over the past year, it has been a real opportunity for us to step up and help each other. Just a few examples would be the emergency services, the NHS, teachers, parents, shopkeepers, friends, food banks and charities, and even strangers helping strangers. I'm sure if we asked you to think of some people that have helped you, not only this past year, but your whole lives, it won't take you long to come up with a fairly lengthy list.
In the Bible, when it comes to thinking about characteristics and our personalities, we read about something called the fruits of the Spirit. And that is basically something that God grows in his followers as the attributes that he wants them to have. And the list goes like this. It's love, joy, peace, patience, kindness, goodness, faithfulness, gentleness, and self-control. They're the 9 attributes that God wants his followers to be able to have. And although this video we're talking a lot about kindness today, but actually it's really important for us all to show those attributes, to show those characteristics to people around us every day of our lives.
It's amazing to see the fact that these characteristics, love, joy, peace, patience, kindness, goodness, faithfulness, gentleness, and self-control, can actually not just impact our lives when we show them, but impact the community that we live in. So our challenge for you this week, regardless of if you share our faith or if you have a different faith or if you have no faith, is to think about what of those characteristics that we've just listed you might like to put more of into your life. And how can you practically do that this week? How could you be more kind? Or how could you have more patience? Or how could you maybe be more gentle in your conversations? And I wonder how much of an impact that might have on the community around you.
Or you might be thinking back to that list of people that we spoke about earlier, that list of people that maybe have helped you in your life somehow. How can you thank them and return that kindness? Thank you so much for joining us this week. We hope you have a great half term and we'll see you again really soon. Take care.